Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this brown eyeliner look for beginners using eyeshadow. And so if you guys are wondering on how I completed this look, just keep on watching. So the palette I'm going to be using is the Jaclynhill Volume 2, and I'm taking Comfort Zone and just placing that all over the crease. And so for the next shadow that I'm going to be using is called Perfectionist, and I'm just placing that on over the lids. Next I'm going to be using the shade called G Money and Temptress, just these two colors, and I'm just placing that onto, just making a line so I could just do a eyeliner and just a wing. And then next I'm going to be cleaning it up with concealer. For foundation I'm going to be using the Beauty Creations foundation Flawless Stay, and it's a full coverage. If you guys do not have this foundation, you should definitely try it out. I would love it. It's like really full coverage, which I like, and it really does make my skin look so smooth. For concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer, and I've seen this on TikTok where you just apply your concealer like from your face, like how I'm doing it, and then you just blend it out, which I really like how this turned out. I thought it was not gonna make a huge difference, but it did, so I'm happy that I tried this out. So I'm taking G Money and Comfort Zone, and I'm just placing that onto the bottom lashes. I'm just taking Graham, this brown shimmer, and I'm just packing that onto the inner corners. To contour, I'm using the Makeup Shack Seal Palette Contour Palette. To highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit. Moving on to lips, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Girls Trip. Lipsticks, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible matte lipstick in the shade Sweet Tooth. So this is the finished look right here. I hope you guys really liked it. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video.